Welcome to our library. If you're looking to dive into psychology research, one of the best resources we have is PsycINFO, the go-to database for all things psychology. Whether you're working on an essay, a research paper, or just curious about the latest in psychology, PsycINFO has you covered. This quick tutorial will walk you through how to navigate the database in order to find peer-reviewed articles. To access PsycINFO, start from our library's homepage and look for the database list under the Quick Links section. Here, you can access over 100 library databases for free. You can browse by your subject. So in this case, psychology. From the Best Bet section, you can see that PsycINFO is one of the recommended databases for this subject. Now that we're in the database, you'll notice we have 3 search bars. This is where you'll input keywords related to your research topic if you're browsing for sources, or specific information such as title or author if you're tracking down a particular source or academic journal. For example, let's say I'm researching the effects of social media on mental health for college students. I type in social media and mental health in college students in each line. Now hit search and we've got hundreds of articles. If you need recent articles, try setting a date range. And if you're looking for scholarly articles, select the peer-reviewed option. Let's set the date range to the last 5 years and select peer-reviewed articles. There, now we're getting results that are recent and credible. Scan the first page of results. Click on any article title to view more information about the article. This item record page contains a lot of helpful details to help you assess whether the source will be useful for your research. Be sure to check out the abstract, which is essentially a brief summary or overview of the article. If you're interested in reading the article, click Access Options. You'll either see a PDF download option, which means that the article is immediately available through PsycINFO. If it's not directly available, then click the Check Lake Forest College option. This will take you to Primo, where you can check if we have the article from a different library database, or if you need to request it through interlibrary loan. To access the item record page later, or to grab a permanent link to this page, click the arrow or share button. To cite this article, click the Quotes or Cite button. You can select APA or the citation style that you need, and PsycINFO will generate a citation for you. Be sure to double check the citation, as the citations are not always 100% accurate, but it is a good starting point to build your citation. PsycINFO also includes resources like book chapters and dissertations, not just journal articles. Be sure to check out the filters, especially if you're looking for studies focused on a specific population or a study using a particular methodology. Now, let's talk Boolean operators, your secret weapon in databases like PsycINFO. Using these techniques can help you control and refine your search further so you can find precisely what you are looking for. First is AND. This one narrows down by combining different keywords or concepts. We already used this earlier when we searched for social media and mental health and college students. When using AND, you'll get results that mention all 3 concepts. Need to expand your search? Use OR to find synonyms. So like social media or Instagram. By using OR, you'll get articles with either term. Now, let's clean things up by using NOT. Try social media and mental health, not Facebook. This would be perfect if you're wanting to skip Facebook-related articles. By using not, you're excluding terms that you're not interested in looking at. Use quotes for phrases like social media or mental health or college students when you want an exact term or phrase. For example, if you search social media without quotes, the database results will include sources using the word social anywhere and the word media anywhere, even if they're not next to each other, bringing up irrelevant stuff like social behavior in media studies or news media and its social impact. If you enclose multi-word concepts in quotes, the database will search for that exact phrase, keeping the words together in that order. Using quotation marks avoids random or off-topic results and gives you more accurate and more relevant articles. The asterisk symbol is a wildcard or truncation symbol, and it's super useful when you want to search for all forms of a word without typing each variation. It tells the database to look for any ending of the root word, so you get more results with one simple term. Let's try depress with the asterisk symbol at the end. The database will find sources using these terms: depress, depression, depressive, depressed. This saves you from typing out depress or depression or depressive or depressed. But don't truncate too early. For example, cat with the asterisk symbol would also find catastrophe or catering. By combining different Boolean techniques, your search can end up looking like a pretty complex formula, but we recommend starting off broad by using the AND function and combining different keyword concepts. If you ever feel lost or need help narrowing down your search or figuring out the right keywords, we're always here to assist you. You can schedule a one-on-one research consultation with a librarian. So that's PsycINFO in a nutshell, a quick and powerful tool to help you with your psychology research. Dive in, explore, and make the most of it. And if you ever need help, just ask the librarian.